Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with the JBL Charge 2 if it's not connecting with your Bluetooth. So what you can do is this. When you're gonna have it turned on, what you want to do is you want to press the play button and the plus button at the same time for about 5 to 10 seconds. So you're gonna press it and you're gonna hold it, okay? So you're gonna press the power button and the volume up button at the same time, and then you're just gonna hold it. And you're gonna hold, and you will just wait, and then it should like reset, and then you could pair again. So that's how possibly you can fix the issue that the Bluetooth connection is not working with the JBL Charge 5. So you want to have it turned on, and then you just want to press the play button and volume plus button at the same time and just hold it, and it should work. Thank you very much for watching. Let me down in the comments if it worked in your case, and have a great day and goodbye.